Alright guys, this is Audi driver 1126 from Audi World. I'm just going to show you the startup sound of my 1987 Audi 4000S and a concerning lifter tick coming from the engine. There it is. It sounds very bad. Like I hate to even run the car. There's definitely oil in there, so it's not like I'm running the engine dry or anything. Now it's starting to go away. Comes back, goes away, and then comes back. I really don't know what this is, and I'd really like to know. Because really it's embarrassing, and well, most of all it's concerning. And really I just don't want to drive a car when I'm doing this. If you're wondering why I've got all the tape on the intake fluid, it's just because it had a leak in it. It does look really ghetto, I know. Other than this lifter tick, the car is actually running really well. Listen to that. Absolutely brutal. And there. It's gone again. Making a bit of a strange noise deep down in there. It's just kind of weird. I don't know if the camera will be able to hear it.